So this is one of the books that the author translated for into English for me while I was at the booth. And she told me that this award up here is a pretty big deal in the Middle East, and that if you get it, it's not only a huge honor, but you get a huge lump of money as well, and that usually goes to either help fund another book or, kind of supporting the author or illustrator while they're still building up their reputation. So this was one of the award winners. They actually had quite a few of them there since it was the forum, and they were trying to promote books. They chose a lot that had been award winners. This one is particularly beautiful. I love that it looks like it's watercolor and color pencil, and it looks like just simple sketches. So it's about this monkey who takes the same route every day to go wherever it is he's going. And he stops and talks to his friends, the bunnies and the lion and the snake and all these different animals. And he stops to say, "How are you doing?" And they talk. And then the monkey one day comes across another monkey with the green hair, and he says, "Hey, I have this megaphone. It's really loud. If you just talk into it and say, 'I'm coming through,' all of the animals will step out of your way and you won't have to stop and talk to these animals anymore." And the monkey at first is like, "Well, I don't know. I'm not really sure." And then the green monkey convinces the blue monkey that it's a good idea. You'll really like it. You won't have to stop. Your travel will be cut in half. So the blue monkey takes it and he tries it the next day, and all of his friends step to the side. He doesn't say anything to anybody. He just says, "I'm coming through," and nobody says anything to him. And at first he really likes this. He doesn't, he's like, "Oh, I have all the power. Everybody just moves out of my way." But then he stops and he realizes he kind of misses the the animal interaction he had with the duck and the deer, and the tiger. So he decides to bring it back to the green monkey, and the green monkey ends up being really confused as to why the blue monkey doesn't want the megaphone. And the monkey says, "I just really want to go on my walk every day and stop and talk with my friends. I miss them. I'm lonely when I don't. This is a really cool, powerful tool, but, it's not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking to see my friends and hang out with them and talk to them on my journey." So in the end, he goes back and he's like, "Hey guys, I'm back. Let's hang out." And the little green monkey is totally confused and befuddled as to why this other monkey wouldn't want all this power and control. And so the author who read it to me was just telling me that it's kind of a social commentary a little bit on phones and how kids have phones. I mean, this is an issue I know we have in the States too, that kids have phones at a really young age and that they get so sucked into them that they forget that there are people around them or that they have friends around them. And instead of communicating in person, they end up communicating through the phone. And it's kind of saying, put the phone down, be present with the people around you. And that, the phone is this awesome tool, but it won't ever really replace the connections that you have with those around you, which I thought was really powerful, and I can definitely see why it won an award. And I think it definitely has messages in it that are very relevant to conversations we have in the United States with kids and very young kids and technology. And this one I feel like is would actually do really well in the United States. So this one really, really stuck out to me. So I definitely made sure to go back and at least take pictures of this one.